For years, the headphone market has been dominated by a familiar landscape, with established players consistently delivering reliable and well understood audio solutions. But what if someone approached audio differently? What if a company known for reimagining smartphones and earbuds decided to reimagine headphones as well? This is the Nothing Headphones 1, a device that doesn't just promise great sound but also promises to change how you interact with audio entirely. तो चलिए देख लेते हैं क्या ये हेडफोन्स सच में काफी डिफरेंट है या सिर्फ एक मार्केटिंग हाइप है. From the moment you unbox them, you know these aren't just ordinary headphones. The transparent aesthetic, aluminum components in the box-like design, and precision CNC paths screams Nothing's design philosophy. ये कंपनी का सिग्नेचर ट्रांसपेरेंट लुक है जो हमने इसके फोन्स में भी देखा है. However, ये हेडफोन्स हमें थोड़े बल्की लगे, बट एक्सटेंसिव यूजेज में कोई पेन या इरिटेशन फेस नहीं करना पड़ा thanks to the soft ear cups. The PU memory foam cushions naturally adjust to your head shape, while the metal components put the headphones a little on the heavier side. But for that, we never faced difficulties in carrying them around in our bags. The ear cups are oil resistant to reduce wear and tear during extended usage, but our ears felt quite sweaty after wearing them for a few hours. These headphones also come with an IP52 water and dust resistant rating for handling drizzles and workout. इसके साथ एक कैरिंग केस भी आपको मिलता है जो ट्रैवलिंग के लिए बहुत कन्वीनियंट है. डिजाइन वाइज ये हेडफोन्स डेफिनेटली एक कन्वर्सेशनल स्टार्टर है. The real magic happens with the 3-part tactile control system. Instead of touch controls that never work properly, Nothing has given us physical controls that actually make sense. इसके रोलर से आप वॉल्यूम कंट्रोल कर सकते हो, पैडल से मीडिया कंट्रोल कर सकते हो और बटन से ANC टॉगल या कस्टम फीचर्स भी एक्सेस कर सकते हो. In our testing, the controls instantly responded and worked without any hiccups. Some may find it a little complicated and may need some time to get used to it, but once you get the hang of it, you may find it better even than touch controls. Nothing has partnered with KEF, a company known for its audio expertise, to tune the Headphones 1. The custom-built 40mm dynamic drivers deliver balanced audio. In default settings, the mids and highs were on point while the lows sounded a little weak. पर hip hop और techno lovers के लिए कोई problem नहीं है, as you can tweak the audio balance from the Nothing X companion app. Increasing the bass makes the beats more punchy but doesn't eat up the lyrics at all. During our usage, the soundstage felt quite wide and the audio separation was distinct during different activities ranging from streaming music and videos to gaming and calling. The dual microphone ANC system uses beamforming and feedback mics for real-time AI-based adaptive noise cancellation. While testing in our busy workspace, background noise reduction was quite effective. The isolation is decent, while the real-time adaptive ANC worked fine also during a busy metro ride. But some background noise seemed to seep in while we were traveling through a busy street or markets. Transparency mode also came in equally handy for staying aware of the surroundings. इस headphones के calling experience भी smooth है. With the 6 mic setup, every word we said came through clearly to the other person on the call or while online gaming. The Headphone 1 also supports high-res audio and LDAC codec, which offers a pleasant experience while watching movies and gaming. Other features like on-head detection and low lag mode also came in handy during various situations. Nothing Headphones 1 also features spatial audio with head tracking, which provides a surround sound-like experience that's responsive to movement. जब आप अपना हेड मूव करते हो, ऑडियो भी अकॉर्डिंगली एडजस्ट हो जाता है. While watching Tom Cruise's bike stunt in Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning, the spatial audio experience offered by the Headphones 1 was decent. We could distinctly feel the audio moving from one direction to the other when the bike raced through the ramp and the spatial audio kicked in. For connectivity, it supports Bluetooth version 5.3, popular quick pair standards, USB-C lossless playback and a 3.5 mm audio jack. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हेडफोन्स ऑलमोस्ट हर डिवाइस के साथ कंपैटिबल है. Moreover, these headphones support multi-point connectivity. ऑफिस में जब काम करते करते म्यूजिक सुन रहे हो और बीच में कोई कॉल आ जाए, ये फोन से लैपटॉप पे इजीली स्विच कर जाता है. Nothing claims 35 hours of listening time with ANC on और क्विक 5-minute टॉप अप से 2.5 hours तक का प्लेबैक भी मिलता है. ये हेडफोन्स 2 घंटे में फुल्ली चार्ज हो जाता है. इसका बैटरी लाइफ भी हमें काफी डिपेंडेबल लगा. Nothing X कंपेनियन ऐप से आप बटन कंट्रोल कस्टमाइज कर सकते हैं, चैनल ऑफ फीचर से क्विक ऐप स्विचिंग, वॉइस असिस्टेंस लॉन्च कर सकते हैं या नथिंग्स एसेंशियल स्पेस भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं फॉर क्विक नोट्स. 8-बैंड एडवांस्ड EQ सेटअप से ऑडियो को अवेलेबल प्रीसेट्स के बियॉन्ड भी आप फाइन ट्यून कर सकते हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर इंटीग्रेशन काफ़ी स्मूथ है और कस्टमाइजेशन ऑप्शंस भी बहुत सारे हैं. सो who should consider the Nothing Headphones 1? If you want something that combines unique design, solid audio performance, intuitive controls and versatile connectivity, these headphones do deliver. At rupees 21,999, ये headphones एक यूनिक आइडेंटिटी के साथ प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में compete करता है. पर अगर आपको थोड़ा बेस हेवी डिफॉल्ट ऑडियो पसंद है या आपको कोई स्पेसिफिक गेमिंग फीचर्स चाहिए, तो आप दूसरे ऑप्शंस भी कंसिडर कर सकते हो. बट फॉर एवरीडे यूजेज इंक्लूडिंग वर्क, ट्रैवल एंड कैजुअल लिसनिंग, ये हेडफोन्स नथिंग के ऑडियो जर्नी में एक प्रॉमिसिंग स्टार्ट है. तो आपको क्या लगता है नथिंग हेडफोन्स 1 के बारे में? क्या ये क्राउडेड मार्केट में अपना जगह बना पाएगा? कमेंट्स में हमें ज़रूर बताइए. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.